Well, folks, I just want to update you on my 1943 GPW. Doing a little bit of restoration work on this vehicle, not a total frame off. As you recall from the last time, this vehicle actually came out of a museum, so it's been set in a while. And so I've got to get a new paint job and a bunch of other things. But what I want to talk to you about today is something I ran across the internet on, is because, you know, back in the day, these seats that are in the driver's seat, as you can see, and it's all marked with a Ford stamp F right here. But these seats were made for some little folks, okay? If you all saw Radar on MASH, you saw how little he was, about 5'6", 5'7", probably weighed about 140 pounds, maybe less. It was okay for him because the distance between the bottom of the steering wheel and that upright bracket was okay for small folk. And the driver back then, well, all of us across America, especially us collectors, we've kind of grown a little bit over the years. So what I ran across is taking another seat, and this one, although it's fixed now, it was in pretty bad shape. Now, it is an F-stamped original Ford seat, but what actually I did with this, and I'll try and put it up here so you can see it, we cut the old bracing off and we actually bent back the bottom side of the back brace and bent it back about 3 inches. So basically, this is laying back 3 inches from the original, which allows more distance between the driver and the bottom of the steering wheel. So again, if you want to know more about that, just log on militarycollectorstv.com on our Facebook site, and I'll be more than happy to explain it to you and tell you where I got the article. So it's not really that hard of a modification. So stay tuned, because we're going to have more updates on some of the other things that I'm doing to this 43 GPW.